Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about if you're a pet owner, a parent, or just someone who loves tech reviews, you've probably seen or heard about the Dogsix tracker app. But the big question is it really as good as they claim? Today, we're diving into the details and share my take on whether Dogsix is the real deal or just another app that overpromises and underdelivers. Before we get started, a quick disclaimer: all of the information in this video is based on my personal research and experiences, along with what I've found in user reviews. Dogsix claims to be an easy-to-use family assistant tool mainly designed to keep track of your children's online activities. You can track things like their last seen activity, usage patterns, and get instant notifications. The app is advertised as a way to ensure your kids' safety by giving parents insight into what their children are doing online. But does it work as advertised? The concept of the Dogsix Family Assistant is solid if you're looking for an app to track online activity. The idea of real-time insights into what your kids are up to online seems pretty useful. It's supposed to give you a detailed report on their usage, which could be valuable for ensuring their online safety. Now, here's where things get a little tricky. For starters, Dogsix has a fairly low trust or low rating of 3.9 stars on the Play Store, and some of the user reviews are raising major red flags. Many people are complaining that the app doesn't actually work as advertised. Users are saying that even though they pay for the subscription, the app keeps showing that the device is offline or not connected, when it clearly is. Some have even called it a scam, claiming that it falsely advertises features and doesn't provide the services it promises. And let's not forget the customer support complaints. A lot of users mentioned that when they reached out for help, they either got no response or were left with no resolution at all. So what's the final verdict on Dogsix? In my opinion, Dogsix seems to be more hype than substance. While it's a good idea in theory, keeping track of your kids' online activity, it just doesn't seem to be delivering in practice, from inaccurate tracking to poor customer support. It's hard to recommend this app if you're looking for something reliable and user-friendly. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.